I added this disco ball balloon. These balloons are from Angie. I did made one balloon garland from this company, and it was one beautiful double stuffed balloon garland, gorgeous. So now I am using, kind of reviewing these balloons. So I added one, and I need to add, I think, like three. 1, 2, and then one will be over there. So let's blow 2 more, and I'm excited to see how this will turn out. Let me quickly show you how I blow these foiled orbs balloons. I believe that's the proper name for them. So I'm taking one of the balloons, and I'm taking this coffee straw. You can use a drinkable straw or any other straw. Some people don't use any straws, they just straight apply this right on the pump and start pumping. Let me see if I can do that. No, I feel like these things, these nozzles, they don't go too far enough to kind of get into the balloon. So I'm taking this straw over here and not pushing too far, not all the way, and then I am inserting the straw into one of the openings, and holding with my fingers, I am pinching and start blowing. Check this balloon before pulling out my straw. Looks like it's really nicely blown, no wrinkles or anything like that. And then pull your straw out, and it seals by itself, and it's ready to be attached to our balloon garland. Here is what I have for you guys today. Very unusual style for me, very unusual color choice for balloons. Usually I do more like a classic look with pops of color, and this is like extremely different from what I usually do with my balloon garlands. I like all of the balloons that I worked with. The balloons are great quality. These silver balloons, a few of them had holes out of nowhere, so I had to skip a few. Other than that, everything else was good. These disco ball balloons, I am impressed by them. They are not losing any air. I did had trouble with other balloons like this, but in different colors. They kept on losing air, and I had to like inflate them again and again and add more air. But these are doing really good. Maybe I used a thinner straw to inflate them. Maybe that's the case. I don't know, but I like them. They are very interesting looking. Not your usual balloons. Definitely like a showstopper, I'm telling you. Overall, I don't know. There's something about this balloon garland that keeps me drawn to it and keeps me like liking this balloon garland. So I don't know, there's something, definitely something in there. Let me know. I will share a few pictures at the end of this video, and I will list everything in the description under the video. So you guys,